A factory reset restores your AirTalk phone to its original state, erasing all personal data. This is useful for troubleshooting issues like freezes or forgotten passwords, or before selling or recycling the device. Since AirTalk phones are basic, there's no cloud backup. You'll need to manually back up important contacts by exporting them to your SIM card via Menu, Contacts, Options, Export to SIM. Note down any critical call logs or messages, as screenshots aren't available. For Alcatel models, try dialing 987 or ZXNAP and selecting Reset. For TCL models, navigate to Settings, Restore Factory Settings, and enter the code, usually 000 or 1234. Remember, this will erase all data, so only do it if necessary. Soft resets are preferable. Before a hard factory reset, attempt a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This reboots the phone without data loss. If a factory reset is needed, and after backing up, follow the model-specific instructions. For Alcatel models, dial *9 987 or access through the Settings menu. Use official reset codes to prevent potential damage and SIM lock issues. Post-reset, the phone will prompt you to insert your SIM card, set the language and time zone, and activate the device using AirTalk's activation code 222899#. Manually re-enter your backed up contacts from the SIM card. This whole process should take no longer than 5 minutes, plus the setup.